Don't cry because it's over, smile because it's happened. When something bad happens, you have three choices. You can either let it define you, let it destroy you, or you can let it strengthen you the right direction for success and personal growth is the path that leads us to the answer within ourselves. Listen to these quotes by Dr. Seuss to enrich your life with his quotes. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. You have to be odd to be number one. To the world, you may be one person, but to one person, you may be the world. Life is too short to wake up in the morning with regrets. It is better to know how to learn than to know why fit in when you were born to stand out. Be sure when you step, care and great tact. And remember that life is a great balancing act. Who you are and say what you feel. Because those who mind don't matter. And those who matter don't mind. Sometimes the questions are complicated and the answers are simple. Take every chance, drop every fear. A person's a person, no matter how small. Today you are you. That is truer than true. There is no one alive that is your than you. Everything sting until it's finished. In your head is your brain. Your feet are in your shoes. You are in control of which direction to go. You are on your own and you know what you know, and only you can decide where to go. Only you can control your future. Always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. It is fun to have fun. But you have to know how when a man does something stupid once. Well, that's because he's a man. But if he does the same stupid thing twice, that's unusually to impress some lady. You can get help from teachers, but you are going to have to learn a lot by yourself. Sitting alone in a room, reading can take you places you have never been before. Till like nonsense, it wakes up the brain cells. Looking at life through the perspective of a child enables you to laugh at life's realities. Nothing is going to change unless someone does something soon. Everybody should be treated equal and with dignity no matter the circumstance instead of focusing on areas of improvement. Hone in on your strengths. You will be happier and more fulfilled than ever before if you always have faith and trust in yourself. There's no limit to the places you will go. People will start missing you when they see how happy you are without them. Fill your house with stacks of books in all the crannies and all the nooks. You are off to great place. We have collected these quotes by the prolific children's book author Dr. Seuss. His views and quotes about childhood and adulthood should be a non changeable part of our lives. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting. So get on your way.